Well, I'm still in New York, meeting my friend Martha at her lake house. I'm not even sure on what lake, so I'm here and it's gorgeous. I don't know what lake we're at. We're at Wolf Lake. Pop the kid's collar.
You can't have everything, but you can have anything. So pick what you want in life, pick your priorities, and just go after that.
Do you concur?
Yeah.
Play pong, but don't lose.
See, when you go to the lake house, you go to Wolf Lake, you play board games. They're called Brain Power. This is what happens when you hang out with Dartmouth alums.